Shopping from an online grocery store seems easier than from a physical store, isn't it? You just have to tap on the items and pay for them from the mobile app, and that's it. I know it's not only easy, but it's definitely comfortable as well. So, have you ever thought of creating one? Do you want to explore the potential of this industry? Well, if yes, taking this chance is worth it because e-grocery sales will expand to 21.5% until 2025. However, when creating an e-grocery store, you need to understand its concept very well and keep these 4 things in mind. Ask buyers to subscribe. Online grocery stores use the subscription model for buyers to upload their grocery list once. Items from it get delivered every month without the need to upload the same list every time. Be transparent. Letting customers know from where their fruits and vegetables are supplied help you gain their trust for sure. Find your niche. To stand out amongst your competitors, you need to find your niche at first. Instead of trying your hands on each and every items on the list, you should concentrate more on selling your preferred items. Make an engaging website. It's an important one as you can highlight items that are best-selling. Letting buyers know the best-selling items, let them decide and buy quickly. So, do you want to know more about making an online grocery store? If yes, we are at your service 24/7 to help you out with all your queries. So, get in touch with us now.